Darshan and Yatin join us for that. And start off with Darshan. It's strange that you're picking up an auto stock, Darshan, wherein the auto analyst is standing right next to you, but you're starting off with Bajaj Auto.
See, that is right. A couple of institutional desks do indicate that there is heavy FII selling, though that could likely come in. Some of that has already come in because the stock has actually corrected significantly from, the 1700 levels right to 1660. What they are saying is that, dealers are anticipating that this time around, the sales numbers could really disappoint for Bajaj Auto. The inventory numbers, which usually build up around festive season, has already started building up. So clearly sales are not happening. The domestic sales will likely disappoint, and that is the case in which, a lot of FIIs and funds have started squaring off positions, and some of them even shorting Bajaj Auto. The next counter that they are speaking about is United Spirits, clearly the outperformer of today. What desks have indicated is that there is a lot of HNI buying activity at lower levels. But the most important thing why the stock is up is because it has actually come out of the FNO ban. For the past 4 days, the counter was in the FNO ban, and that is why, you could never see the volumes on United Spirits. But clearly, as out of the FNO ban, more long-term positions would be taken on United Spirits. And the last one is JP Associates, which is clearly down 9%. As you pointed out, FCCB news not really exciting the market because clearly it's taking on more debt to reduce debt. But also there's one more news, as that Goldman Sachs came out with a report today on JP Associates in which they have put the target price at 57. And the main reason they are saying is debt is the biggest concern for the company. Unless that gets in the way, it will be still negative. And apart from that, say that the EPC order book that the company has, most of it is internal. So they don't have any external orders for the EPC segment. So clearly they are negative on JP Associates.
Yatin, come to you. What are you picking up from your sources? Thanks, Darshan, for that.
Well, Tanveer, Maruti Suzuki is one stock wherein we are anticipating that there could be some, weakness going forward, especially in today's trading session, wherein a large US-based hedge fund is said to be initiating fresh short positions on the counter. And what we gather is that similar to what Darshan was telling, in two-wheelers there is an inventory build-up, and given the fact that June, July, August are not great months as far as auto sales are concerned, there could be some near-term pressure that Maruti could face apart from the Manesar, production shutdown that we have seen. Also, they have not been able to ramp up their production as they had projected as such. So that is why dealers are anticipating that there could be some near-term weakness as far as Maruti Suzuki is concerned. And JSPL is one stock wherein, 3-4 days of continuous fall, and finally the stock is bouncing back in today's trading session. Dealers anticipate after the 100 rupee correction that we have seen over, a month's period time, there could be some technical bounce back in the offering, and dealers are buying it for the expiry trade, and possibly there could be some 3 to 4% quick gains is what dealers are anticipating on JSPL.
Okay, thanks a lot for that.